You don't need a $10,000 budget to make your home theater feel like a private cinema. In fact, with just a few smart, affordable upgrades, you can transform your setup today. No AV receiver needed. No rewiring. No renovation. Just results. Fast. Replace your default soundbar with a true 5.1 system. The biggest mistake most people make? Using a basic 2.1 soundbar and expecting cinematic audio. You can now grab full wireless 5.1 systems, like the Vizio M Series or Polk Magnify Max AXSR, for under $500. They come with real rear speakers, a real subwoofer, and real surround sound that punches way above their price. Add acoustic panels or curtains to kill echo. Your room is destroying your sound, and you don't even realize it. Flat walls reflect audio. Open windows eat bass. For under $100, acoustic foam panels or thick blackout curtains can control reflections, boost clarity, and tighten your soundstage instantly. This is pro-level improvement without touching your gear. Upgrade to a streaming stick with Dolby Atmos support. Still using your TV's built-in apps? They compress audio and strip out surround formats. Upgrade to a streaming stick like the Roku 4K Plus, Fire TV Stick 4K Max, or Apple TV 4K. These support Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, and lossless streaming, instantly unlocking the full potential of your sound system. And they cost less than a decent dinner. Smart LED lighting for instant ambience. Want your room to feel like a theater? Smart LED light strips behind your TV or along the ceiling change everything. Sync them with your movies. Dim them with your voice. Set the tone before the opening scene even starts. For $20 to $40, your entire setup transforms, visually and emotionally. Auto room calibration is a game changer. Most people ignore this. Big mistake. Many modern soundbars and systems come with auto room calibration or AI sound tuning. Run it. Use it. Even mid-range systems like Samsung's Q Series or LG's S Series include it. You'll instantly hear tighter bass, clearer dialogue, and surround effects that actually surround you. Conclusion: small moves. Massive impact. You don't need to upgrade everything. Just the right things. Focus on what actually moves the needle: sound positioning, room control, and source quality. These 5 affordable upgrades? They'll make your home theater feel expensive, without spending like it.